In this video, you will learn how to fix edit friend button not showing in your Facebook profile. So let's start it. So first open Facebook in your mobile phone. Now tap on three line upper right side. Now scroll down. Click on setting and privacy. Click again on setting. Now click on profile setting. Tap on privacy. Scroll down. Tap on who can send your friend request. Choose everyone. Now go back your profile. Now you will see edit friend button showing in your Facebook profile. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe our channel.